थर्ड डे द ओवरव्यू ऑफ फ्यूचर टेक्नोलॉजी विषय पढ़िया तो कैन यू क्लियर हियर माय वॉइस ओके द ओवरव्यू of future technology. Future technology is a term generally used to describe a new technology, but it may also refers to continuing development of an exciting technology. It can be slightly different, meaning when used to different areas such media, business, science, or education. This term commonly refers to technologies that are currently developing or that are expected to be available within the next 4 to 5 years. It usually reserves technologies that are recreating or expecting create significant social or economic effect. Introduction to Internet of Things IoT. Introduction to Internet of Things. तो IoT कौन होची गोटे होची कौन IoT इंटरनेट थिंग्स कौन इंटरनेट थिंग्स आसूची IoT रे इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स IoT is a network in which all physical objects are connected to the internet through network device and exchange data. LOT allows object to be controlled remotely across exciting network infrastructure कहाँ करें ना इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को द गोल ऑफ IoT extend to internet connectivity from standard device like computer, mobile, tablets, relatively dumb like a toaster. Components of IoT. Introduction to Internet of Things. Sensors or device are key components that helps you collect real-time data from the surrounding environment. All this data may have various level of complexity. It should be example temperature, monitoring sensor. It may be the form of the video feed. Connectivity. All the collected data is sent to cloud infrastructure. The sensors should be connected to the cloud using various media of communication. These communication media include mobile or satellite networks, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, WAN, etc. So data processing. Once the data is collected and it gets to the cloud and the software performs processing on the gathered data. So this process can be just checking the temperature reading device like AC or heaters. However, it can sometimes also be very complex like identifying object using computer vision on videos. The user interface, the information made available to the end users in some ways that can achieve any tragic alarms on their phones or notifying through text email. Also users sometimes might also have an interface through the which he can actually check on the IoT system. The advantage of IoT technical optimizations. IoT technology. I am from Odisha. IoT technology helps a lot in improving technologies and making them better. Yes, bhai. IoT technology helps a lot in improving technologies and making them better. Reduce weight. IoT offers real-time information. बिहार अब तो हमारा पड़ोसी हो गया ना पड़ोसी से छत्तीसगढ़ के बाद ना खानसर का एरिया ओके ब्रदर थैंक यू IoT offers real-time information. Hello. IoT offers real-time information leading to effective decision making and management of resource. Improve customers engagement. IoT allows you to improve customers experience by detecting problems and improving the process. Improve data collection. Traditionally, data collection has limitation and it's designed for passive use. With the help of IoT, limitation of data collection has request. The disadvantage of IoT ସବୁ ଜିନିଷର ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ହୁଏ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷର ଆଡଭାଣ୍ଟେଜ ଅଛି ଡିସଆଡଭାଣ୍ଟେଜ ବି ଅଛି ତ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି as the IoT system are interconnected and communicate over networks, the system offers little control. Despite any security measures, it can reduce the various kind of network attacks. Various kind of attack. Offers little control despite any security measures. It can reduce the various kind of network attacks. Various kind of network attacks. Privacy. Even without the active practice participation of users, IoT system provides substantial personal data in maximum detail. Complexity, the designing, developing, maintaining, and enabling large technology to IoT system quite complicated. Big data analysis. It is the process of collecting, organizing, and analyzing large sets of data to discover patterns and other useful information. Big data analytics can help organizations to better understand the information content within the data will also help identify the data is most important to the business future business determined. The characteristics of big data analysis variety. Variety, a big data analyte refers to structure, unstructured, and semi-structured data gathered from multiple sources. While an fast data control any can be collected from spreadsheet and database. Today data comes in array forms such as emails, PDFs, photo, and etc. Velocity. It essentially refers to the speed at which data is being created in real time. In broader prospect, it compromises the rate of change and linking the incoming data sets at various speed, various speed. हाँ जी ब्रदर तो volume big data indicate huge volumes of data that is being generated on daily basis from various sources like social media platforms, business process, machines, the networks, etc. The application big the application the application big data government government which when government agencies have hastens to applying the analytical to their big data they have improved the term of managing utilized running agencies stealing traffic congestion privileging the crimes the healthcare Satin Rajput, Vaibhav Suryavanshi, Maithili Thakur, Kishore Kumar, and many others. Big data analytics and already started to create a huge difference in the healthcare sector, with the help of predictive analytical medical profession can now able to provide personal healthcare service to individual patient ପାଇଁ। ତ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କିଂ ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ ନା the banking sector relies the big data fraud detection. Big data tools can efficiently frequently act real time such misuse credit debit cards etc. Manufacturing using big data analytical manufacturing industry can improve product quality and output, minimizing waste. The virtual reality. The virtual reality. It is a computer interface which tries mimic a real world beyond the flat monitor to give immersive 3D visual experience. 3D visual experience. 3D visual experience. The 3D visual experience. It is an artificial environment that created with the software with presented to the user, such as where the user suspend beliefs and aspect is the real environment. On a computer, virtual reality is primarily experienced through the two of the five senses: eye, sight, sound. Virtual reality (VR) technology is applied to advanced field of machine and engineering, education, design, training, and entertainment. Application of virtual reality in gaming. Virtual technology devices are used for virtual gaming experience. Along with these devices such as Wi-Fi remote, PlayStation Move, Kinect, based on virtual reality, which tracks send input the players to the game. So in healthcare is one of the application where virtual reality could have virtual reality could have the most significant impact. Healthcare professional can use virtual models, prepare them working on real environment. In entertainment, virtual reality is being used in the environment industry to boost experience 3D films, increase the emotional connection with the end or the character. In business, virtual reality is also been after business. It knows the wing for virtual tours, business environment, training new employees, and this gives new employment 360 view every product. The artificial intelligence, जोटा कहती AI. The AI is an area of computer. Is an area of computer science that emphasizes the creation of intelligent machine that works, react like humans. Then Tom I also applied to any machine that exhibits traits associated with human, such as learning and problem solving. The knowledge engineering is a core part of AI research. The machines can often react like humans, only they have evident information in relation to the world. Artificial intelligence must have access to object categories, properties, and relationship between over the implement knowledge engineering. Types of artificial intelligence. Weak AI. It embodies system designed to carry out one practical job weekly. AI system include video games such as the chess, personal assignments such as Amazon Alexa. The strong AI, these AI system that carry to take consider to the human like these tend to more complex complicated system. This kind of system we found application like self-driving cars and the hospital operation rooms. The application artificial intelligence in business. Robotic process automation is being applied highly repetition tasks normally performed human. In gaming, over the past few years, AI has become an integrated part of the gaming industry. In fact, one of the biggest accomplished AI gaming industry. In healthcare, companies are applying machine learning to make better, faster diagnosis. The humans, the first no technology IBM's Westerns, it understand natural language and can respond question asked from it. in banking रे AI कौन व्यवहार होची a lot of कौन ना a lot of banks have already adopted AI based system. It provides customer support, detected anomalies, and credit card fraud. AI solution can be used to enhance security across number of business sector, including retail finance, in autonomous vehicle, just like humans. Self-driving cars not have been censored to understand the world around the and brain collect process choose specific action based information gathered. Blockchain technology. The blockchain is the encrypted distributed database record data. It digital ledger any traditional contract that need to be independently recorded. In financial sector with blockchain technology, the particular can interact directly can make transfers across the internet without the interface and third party. With all fraud in resident futures, the blockchain with various business sector smarter, secure, transport more efficient. Make process matters. Advantage of blockchain technology. It allows smart device speak to each other better, faster. It allows the removal intervention that work. It provides durability, reliability, and longevity. Distant network data is the blockchain-based system immunity which prevent against fraud through a manipulation transaction is the history data. It brings everyone to the highest degree of accountability. The challenge of blockchain technology. To verify the transaction huge power electricity required. Blockchain chain is most verified by the distributed network and it can be take time so transaction speed can be issue. 3D printing additive manufacturing. हाँ पुआ कई पका 3D printing is manufacturing process where 3D printer creates three-dimensional object by depositing materials by layer according to the 3D digital model. It uses data computer aided design CAD computer aided designs ପାଗଳା ହଁ ହେଇଯିବା software 3D object scanners to direct hardware. The deposition material layer opens layer precise geometric shapes as its name implies additive manufacturing adds metal to create an object. Harami. How does 3D printing work? Here are the steps include 3D. Produce 3D model using CAD equipment, 3D design software, computer drawing to the STL standard tessellation language, file format which is a format developed by 3D printer. The transfer STL file computer that control 3D printer. From there you can specific size oriented printing. It prepare for new print job based on the requirement 3D printer. This may include pathakor being the building process since each layer usually about 0.1 mm thick. This can be taken anywhere what is the test to complete depending object size. Remove the objective from the printer and avoid any contact, toxin and hot surface. Performs any post processing needed, which many involve washing of reduce washing the object. Use your new printed object. The example of 3D printing. Architectural scales, model, mosquito, eyewear, dental products, design lamps, furniture, reconstruction bones, body parts, reconstruction heavily damaged, reconstruction retrieves from crime scene. Robotic process RPA, robotic process automation, Robotic process automation. RPA uses specialized computer programs known as software robots to automate and standardize replicable business process. Robotic process automation does not involve any form physically robots, software robots mimicking human activity interacting with the application. In the same way to the person does robot process automation professional to easily configuring software robots to automate a repetition routine work between multiple systems, filling in automation gaps, improve business process. Application of RPA. Customer service RPA होची can help companies offer better customer service by automating contact center tasks, including verifying e-signatures, uploading scanner document, and verifying information for automatic approval rejection. तो सेमती हेल्थ केयर मेडिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कैन यूज आरपीए फॉर हैंडलिंग पेशेंट रिकॉर्ड्स क्लेम्स कस्टमर सपोर्ट अकाउंट मैनेजमेंट billing reporting any analytics. Supply chain management RPA can be used for procurement, automatic order processing and payment, monitoring inventory levels, tracking shipment. तो फाइनेंशियल सर्विस होची कंपनीज इन द फाइनेंशियल सर्विस इंडस्ट्री कैन आरपीए फॉर फॉरेन एक्सचेंज पेमेंट्स तो ऑटोमेटिक अकाउंट ओपनिंग एक ऑटोमेटिक account opening, closing, managing, audit to request process the ensure claims. Accounting organization can RPA for general accounting, operational accounting, transaction for budgeting. Fifth generation 5G. 5G standard is not broadband cellular networks, which cellular phone companies began deploying worldwide in 2019. It is designed to improve network connection by addressing the legacy issue of speed, latency, utility, which the earlier generation and the current generation mobile network could not address. 5G is promised to deliver data speed rate 100 times faster than 4G network. 5G 100 times faster than 4G networks. So globally, 5G network deployment is rapidly moving from the early commercialization in India. Network operator like Airtel, Vodafone, Idea, Reliance, Jio, etc. So I have already partnered with vendors like Ericsson, Huawei, the Samsung for planned trial sometime by the end of year 2020 रे कहते हैं ना 2020 तो 2020 before service forecast commercial rollout in 2000. Advantage of 5G: the great speed of transmission. Speed in transmission can approach 15 to 60 15 or 20 Gbps. By being able to enjoy higher speed, we can access files, programs, remote application indirectly with a waiting. तो 15 to 20 Gbps. Lower latency crime time collapse. We give order on a device until action occurs in 5G. In latency will be the 10 times less than 4G. Being able to perform remote action real time. Great number of connected devices. With 5G, the number of devices that can be connected to the network increases greatly. It will go to millionary scale square kilometer. All connected devices will have access to instant connection of the to internet, which in real time exchange information with each other's. New technology options. As the speed of network has improved, more stacks are being transitioned to the world smart device from the world computer. With the rising network speed, his could open new doors smart device that most have been available. The disadvantage of 5G: the obstruction can impact connectivity. The range of 5G connectivity is not great as the frequency waves are waves to travel the short distance. Added to the setback is the fact that 5G frequency is introduced by physically obstructions of trees, towers, walls, building. The obstruction will either block, disrupt high frequency signals. To counter the setbacks, the telecom industry cell tower increase the broadcast distance. The limitation of rural access. While 5G might bring about the real connectivity for the predominantly urban areas, those living the fewer areas will not necessarily benefit for the connection. OICL Assistant Recruitment 2025 500 पदवी आईची सैलरी 40,000. Battery drain on devices. When it comes to secular device connected 5G, since battery not available operator for a significant period of time, the battery technology needs to advance to allow this enhanced connectivity where charges will be connected. Okay, तो एथिरे किसी किसी जानिबार नाही. तो क्वेश्चन बैंक रु 21टा क्वेश्चन. प्रथम क्वेश्चन, which of the following is a term generally used to describe new technology but it may be also refers to continuing development and extending technology? IoT हबो. एक नंबर हबो 1 future technology. Which of the following term generally used to describe a new technology may also refers to continuing development and extending technology? के ना future technology कौन ना future कौन ना future technology. प्रथम क्वेश्चन नो आंसर. The future technology is usually reserved for that are creating expected to create significant social economic effect. Future technology 2 number हबो कौन. Future technology usually reserved for technologies that are creating expect to create significant social economic effect. Which of the following object? The which of the following which of the following object to be controlled remotely across extended network infrastructure? IoT. Which of the following objects to be controlled remotely across extended network infrastructure? Network infrastructure future skill cloud. Future infrastructure रो किए ध्यान नहीं ना IoT ध्यान नहीं. The dash are keys components that helps you collect the live data from surrounding environment. तो 4 नंबर है जो 1 sensors. Sensors are key components that help you to collect live data from the surrounding environment. के ना सेंसर करते हैं काम. सेंसर के ना सेंसर. IoT system provides substantial personal data in dash details. मैक्सिमम कौन हम ना मैक्सिमम डिटेल्स रे देता है. IoT सिस्टम प्रोवाइड सब्सटेंशियल पर्सनल डाटा इन को डिटेल्स रे ना मैक्सिमम डिटेल्स रे देता है. बिग डाटा एनालाइज इज यूज्ड इन बिग डाटा. तो बिग डाटा एनालिटिकल यूज्ड इन डैश. तो 6 नंबर आंसर हबो 6 नंबर हबो ऑल ऑफ दिस गवर्नमेंट बैंकिंग हेल्थ केयर all of these big data analytical used. Big data so analytical हुए. तो which of the following is the process of collecting, organizing and analyzing large sets of data to discover patterns of the useful information? तो कौन कहे big data analytics. Big data analyzing कहे. I would question as well. Dash of big data analytical refers to structure, unstructured and semi-structured data that is gathered from multiple sources. 8 number है जो variety. VARIET. Variety of a big data. कौन हो? The variety of a big data. The variety of a big data analytic refers to structure unstructured semi-structured data that is gathered from multiple sources. Okay, na variety of data. Virtual reality primary experience through dash of five senses. Two. Virtual reality primary experience through two of life senses. Two of five senses. Two of the five. Two of the five senses can help companies better customer service contact center tax. RPA can help the company better customer service automatic RPA habo. What is that the business benefit of RPA? Increase accuracy, no interruption or low technology barriers, all of the above. The RPA is the use of the specialized computer programs known as software robot. कौन कहुए सॉफ्टवेयर रोबोट कहुए आरपीए को गोटे सॉफ्टवेयर रोबोट कहुए एग्जांपल ऑफ 3D प्रिंटिंग इज एर 3D printing is eyewear, dental products, architecture, sales model, all of the above. 3D printing is एर eyewear, dental products ଆଉ କ'ଣ dental products ରହିଲା ଆର୍ଚି ସ୍କେଲ୍ ମଡେଲ ଏସବୁ କ'ଣ ନା ଆରପିଏ ର ତ additive manufacturing use dash softed CAD. Additive manufacturing uses CAD. CAD କ'ଣ ନା CAD କ'ଣ ହବ ନା CAD. Blockchain mechanism brings everyone to highest degree. Accountability କ'ଣ accountability ହବ କ'ଣ accountability. Which of the following is encrypted and distributed a database the records data? କ'ଣ ନା which of the following is an encrypted blockchain କ'ଣ ହବ ନା blockchain. Artificial intelligence. AI is important because it can help solve immense difficulties. All of internet health education. AI is important because it can help you solve immense difficulties in health education. Which type of artificial intelligence embedded system design carry out one particular job? ଆଉ ଜମା ଚାରିଟା क्वेश्चन ଅଛି wait. Which type of artificial intelligence embedded system design carry out one particular job? Weak AI. Dash is an area of computer science that emphasizes the creation of intelligent mechanisms that react like humans. Artificial intelligence AI. AI is an area of computer science emphasizes creation of intelligent machine that works like humans. किए ना AI. Virtual reality technology is applied to advanced fields of all of them. Virtual reality technology, medicine, education, engineering. सेगुड़ा कौन ना virtual reality कौन ना virtual reality education. Virtual reality education. Which of the technology device used for virtual gaming experience? Virtual. The technology device used for virtual gaming experience. Virtual. तो एमसीक्यू भी सैला तो नेक्स्ट चैप्टर कंप्यूटर देखिया तो समस्त धन्यवाद लाइव सेक्शन में जोड़ी रही बहुत सारा भल पाया एमती सपोर्ट जारी रख I love you ladies and gentlemen. Stop this live section.